Hello, instructions for monthly expenses. Again, this is a brand new workbook, so there is nothing to open. So go ahead into your search box, and I don't even have to type anything because I was just recently using Excel. So select Excel, select blank workbook, and you're ready to begin. So in A1, I'm going to type student name, and then I'm going to type date, leave row 3 blank, go to monthly, A4 and type monthly expenses, and then I'll skip A5 and then item. This time I'm going to press tab and type the title, column title here. And one more, we're going to adjust the column width too. So I want to do that now because it's bothering me. So I'm going to select A through D, right click, column width. This one will be 16. And then we can go ahead and fill in the rest of the items. In B1, type your name. In B2, we're going to put the date in, but there actually is an insert date, so you don't have to type it. So click the Insert tab, and then you'll go to Text. It's actually in Formulas. It's in Word, it's in Insert Text. So choose Formulas, and then Date and Time, and I'm going to scroll down to Today. And then notice, it's a formula because it starts with equals. The parentheses is blank because there is no range. So go ahead and click OK, and you should have the date that you're actually creating this. Now go into total cost, go back to, I don't actually have to go home because I'm in formulas, and there's my auto sum, which is what I want to do. So I'm going to choose the auto sum, and it's going to add B7 through B10. So I'll press enter and do the same thing. Use my fill handle and drag it across. And because this is all dollars, I'm going to select B7 through C11 and the accounting format back home, the accounting format. And then I'm going to add some formatting before I do the formulas below. So I'll add my cell styles. Notice it went back to the palette because we're in the default palette because we're in a new worksheet. So I'll click total, and then I'll select the labels for row 6 and select any style you'd like. And I'll leave the top two as is. If you wanted to add shading, you could. Notice text is typed to the left and numbers are to the right. So we're going to create a formula here where we want to find the difference between the January cost, $70, and the February $120. So the formula is equals, and I'm going to click, or you can type C11 minus B11, and then enter, and it should be $50. So how much as in percentage did it increase? So this formula is actually called a complex formula. This one is a basic formula because it only had one math operation minus. In here it's going to be complex because it has more than one math operation. And we're going to just introduce briefly the order of operations, PEMDAS, because we need parentheses. So all formulas start with equals, and then I'm going to type open parentheses. I want to still subtract C11 minus B11, and then close parentheses. And then once it finds the difference, I want it to divide by, and divide is the slash, by the C11. And then press enter. And it's showing it in decimal format, so I want to change it to percent. And right now it's showing 42%. If you wanted to see 42 point whatever, you could do increase decimal, and it's 41.7. So that's an advanced formula because it has parentheses and two math operations. And again, go ahead and change the name of your sheet So go ahead and either double click or right click and rename. And this one should be monthly expenses. And then enter. And that's a save and submit. Thank you. The sample in Excel on Blackboard has it 41.67. So if I increase one more decimal place, then you'll see that. But either way, it's fine. Even 42% would have been fine. Thank you.